Hello there, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Whisper of the Day for May 1st. Wow, it's been a great week of whispers so far. 18 targets were hit yesterday, 27 targets combined for Monday and Tuesday. If you missed any of these trades, don't worry. I've got a lot of great new ones for you today. So let's start with the SPY. We got two massive dark pool levels this week, by the way. The biggest in a very, very long time. 293.80 and 293.48. These are key levels. I'm going to be bullish as long as we stay above them. But if we close below these levels, that's when I put on protection. Okay, so today we're going to be bullish on the SPY above 295.50. And I'm going to be bearish below these prints, below 293.48. Let's switch over to the Russell. We got a pretty heavy dark pool level yesterday as well on the Russell 2000 ETF. 158.99, about 2 million. So we're going to be bullish above 159, and we're going to be bearish below 158.25. Let's go over to the Qs. The Qs, we're going to be bullish above 191.25, and we're going to be bearish for 190.25. Now remember, these are all day trades. So every day I'll be bringing you new trades. Get to start over all over. CVS, I love this stock. I've been tweeting about this. I've been blogging about it. I've been going nuts about it. Seasonality, trend, and dark pool print. Somebody always knows something before earnings come out, and there have been massive dark pool activity. Don't normally take stocks into earnings, but this was one of my exceptions. Today, if you're not in this already, bullish above 58. I did see a seller there. You can see he's still there. See this guy? Oh yeah, he's there. So you can see that's why they took it right here and brought it back down again. So yep, if it can break above 58 after the first 10 minutes, then or close above that, yeah, I love it. I'm going to be bearish only below 55. If they take it down below that level, that is really key. So watch those. AMD also had earnings. I've been watching the book this morning, and let me just see if anybody new came along. You can see there's quite a few sellers here on the ARCA book. Yeah. And then there's a guy right here at 29.36. This is why I'm bullish above 29.37. Bearish below 29. And let's just see if there's anybody new. Yeah, there's a guy, let's see, 86. Yeah, this guy's pretty big at 29. That's why I'm bearish below that. And I use two books, the ARCA book and the Instanet. Yeah, the NASDAQ book viewer. This is the machine I started out back in 1994, sitting in front of it, the dark pool execution machine. And NASDAQ has taken it over, but you definitely want to see. And this is the book where we look and see where Goldman is. He's not there now, but he'll be there in about an hour. He'll start showing up. And we definitely have a huge advantage when you see where the big guy is sitting, right? So let's go to the next one, XLF. We have the big Fed meeting today. Yeah, so this will definitely move later on this afternoon. Been waiting. We've had massive prints coming in. Bullish above 28.20 and bearish below 27.80. All right, a lot of my traders have strangles put on the financials. I have one on Wells Fargo this week and all the way up to May 17th because we had just massive prints. But we are going to have a move. It's just probably waiting for today. OIH. We had a big dark pool print yesterday at 1672. Oil Services ETF. We're going to be bullish above 1720. But look at this, like massive volume bar. Yeah, that's pretty huge. We're going to be bearish below 1650. All right, that is a key level that we are watching on OIH. There's no volume yet, but we did have a big unusual print yesterday. GE. Yeah, GE got stopped by that 200 and just kind of sitting here. But we did have some pretty big prints yesterday. 1022, 1032, and 1025. I normally pay attention to prints that are like 2 million and higher. on GE. Those are the ones that move this. So I'm going to be bullish above 1037 and bearish below 10. Apple. Wow. Apple had, well, I don't even know the earnings. They like it. Okay. I don't pay attention to what the earnings are. They're good, they're bad. It really doesn't matter. The question is, does the stock like them? That's the secret. So, and where are the big guys loaded to buy and sell? How are we going to trade this? Well, I'm going to be bullish above 212.50. Yeah, you can see there's a little guy on the book right here. Let me just stop that. Yeah. $2.50 increments are really big too. So if it can break above that, yep, then it'll be a gap and go trade. But if not, it could retrace back down. So watch the 210 level. And again, this is a retracement trade back to support, right? Back down to the 4 EMA. If it does not hold 210, I'll see if we get prints that come in as well. I also watch the 15 exponential moving average on stocks that gap in earnings season. The 15 EMA, it's in green on my 5-minute chart. And here's the rule. If after the first 15 minutes, this is a 5-minute chart, it's below that 15 exponential moving average. Yeah, it's usually a pop and drop situation. If it can stay above it, it's usually a gap and go. But I don't use that by itself. I use levels and I use prints, but it's a really amazing moving average. I mostly use it for swing trades when my stocks gap up, in my favor, of course. Then I use it to exit out of my swings. But as a day trader in earnings season, it's also amazing. So check it out and see if you like it. TLT, we have bond prints that have been coming in ahead of the FOMC meeting, the Fed. Oh my goodness, somebody definitely knows something. President Trump tweeted out yesterday that it would be great for the economy if we lowered the interest rates. So I'm wondering who is doing these prints. So we're going to watch this later on this afternoon. We're going to be bullish on TLT above 124 and bearish below 122.50. Just keep in mind, whenever we do get these Fed meetings, we have 3-point moves, up, down, up, down, up, down. So watch that as well. Okay, the first half an hour of that is usually not a great idea to trade. But after that, just go with it. EWZ. Brazil had massive print, still has not moved, so I'm putting it on my whisper again. Bullish above 41.50, bearish below 40.80. The massive prints happen at $41.31. So we're still right there. GDX, last one, gold should have a move as well into this Fed meeting. So we're going to be bullish above 21.25 and bearish below 20.75. So there you have it. Those are your whispers of the day. Until tomorrow, happy trading. That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.